Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about widget tree in Flutter application. See, the intuition which we are going to provide here is going to help you a lot in understanding the coming classes whenever we are discussing stateful widgets and stateful and stateless widgets. So, and not only in coming classes, you should have this intuition. From our previous classes, we have designed some small project. Based on that project, based on that knowledge, what we have done first, the first widget we have called is material app widget. Inside means one of the property, whatever the properties that available for material app, one of the property, home property, we called scaffold widget. Inside this scaffold widget means in the body, we have created one image, one text, one container. Inside this container, we have image, button. Assume that this is the application which we created. See, what Flutter is going to do is, it is going to create this widget tree. This is hierarchical data structure. If you know about binary and binary search trees, this is similar to binary trees. This is the hierarchical structure it is going to create. For your entire application, it is going to create this. So what's the use of this widget tree? See, whenever you open your application and step by step, the Flutter has to paint, means the colors has to be displayed, images has to be displayed, and text has to be displayed, means Flutter has to do something to paint on the screen. So first, scaffold layout has to be painted. On that, image has to be painted, then text, then container. Inside this container, image and button has to be painted. Painting means rendering, we call it as. So in order to do that, it is going to maintain this. Not only for that, in order to provide you efficiency, optimized way to execute your application, to paint your application, this widget tree is going to be helpful. And you keep this intuition. One important point you need to understand, suppose, assume that in our application, we've opened our application, there is a button here. Assume that we have written some application logic here. Whenever you click on a button here, instead of this image, remove this image and give some description about this image. Means instead of this image, we are going to display text about this image. That is what the application is. Suppose whenever a click happened here on the button, see, the entire application changes happened only here. Is it required to paint again all these things, or simply optimized way just change this? Yes, Flutter is going to do only changes happen wherever it's required. In order to do that, it is going to maintain this widget tree. That's the help of widget tree. And not only that, as a developer point of view, if you had this intuition, in the coming classes, whenever we discuss about stateful and stateless widgets, there it is going to help you for better understanding of how to write the code in our Flutter applications. And the next point you need to, not only widget tree, this is the basic tree which is going to be generated. This we call it as a blueprint of the blueprint, we call it as blueprint. Based on this blueprint, it is going to create element tree and rendering object tree. So we are not going deep into what is this element tree and rendering object tree, just we will provide some intuition. See, in this material app, we have provided multiple properties. In order to maintain all those, you need a data structure. And scaffold, where it has to be displayed, you need to maintain all those data. So that's why there need some data structure. The data structures are maintained using element tree. Then based on this, rendering object tree is going to be generated. Based on this rendering object tree, your entire application is going to get to be rendered. Rendered means painted. See, whenever a button click happened, Don't render the entire application. Rendering means don't repaint the entire application, just wherever the modifications happen. Rendering is done for the entire application, but painting will be done wherever it's required. That's the optimization provided by using this widget tree. Hope you understand what widget tree means. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.